Make a great choice today with the 2018 Buick Cascada. The Buick Cascada is extremely attractive from every angle. It is competitively priced. It drives quiet, comfortable, and comes with a lot of features. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, lane departure warning, traction control, stability control, keyless entry, power passenger seat, navigation system, backup camera, remote engine start. Come see the car for yourself.